The ancient Greek gods represented all aspects of life, including justice. A Greek mythological figure, Themis represents divine law, order, and conventions. She is a Titaness, one of Gaia's Earth and Uranus's sky 12 children. Artists frequently depict Themis as a serene, graceful woman wielding 2 scales or even a sword, symbolizing her role in justice and equity. A blindfold, which stands for impartiality and the unbiased balance of justice devoid of personal bias, is another common element in her artwork. People respect Themis for her counsel and wisdom in her role as a goddess. People view Themis as a mediator who ensures the observance of moral and cosmic laws. This includes maintaining social order and honoring oaths and treaties. Themis's influence even reaches the realm of the gods, where she counsels Zeus, the king of the gods, helping to keep the universe stable and frequently advising him on judgments. Themis is also important in human affairs. She is credited with founding councils and assemblies, which were essential to the administration of justice and governance in classical Greek society. Her presence in these settings emphasizes how important fairness and well-structured dialogue are to dispute resolution and justice administration. Themis is the mother of the Horai, or hours or seasons, and the Moirai, or fates. Frequently identified as eunomia, order, dike, justice, and Irene, peace, the Horai embody the stability and natural order of the world, reflecting Themis herself. The Moirai, on the other hand, weave the fate-determining threads that affect the lives of mortals and gods alike, underscoring Themis's crucial place in the cosmic order. In Greek civilization, Themis was an important figure that represented morality, justice, and order. She was vital to preserving the harmony of the cosmos and society because she was a Titaness and the personification of divine law. Her impact extended beyond mythology into Greek daily life and governance, demonstrating their deep respect for lawful order and impartial judgment. Themis is a goddess of divine justice, law, and order who frequently appears in a variety of myths and legends. Themis allied with Zeus and the Olympian gods in the Titanomachy, the titanic battle between the Titans and the Olympians. Since she understood that Zeus's leadership was necessary to establish a new and more equitable cosmic order, her support for Zeus in this fight demonstrated her dedication to justice and order. Zeus, the gods' ruler, received advice from Themis. Her assistance in instructing Zeus on the Trojan War is one such example. She is believed to have supervised the gods' meeting, guiding their discussions and decisions. Her counsel and knowledge played a crucial role in preserving the harmony and balance among the gods. Themis was associated with one of the most important oracles in ancient Greece, the Oracle of Delphi. Some stories state that Themis received the oracle from her mother, Gaia, and then gave it to Apollo. This bond connects her to the sharing of heavenly wisdom and direction, emphasizing her part in divine justice and prophecy. Themis played a role in the story of Apollo and Artemis's birth. Themis assisted Leto, the mother of the twins, in finding the island of Delos when she was in labor and looking for a location to give birth. Themis's assistance ensured the safe delivery of Apollo and Artemis, who went on to become significant gods in the Greek pantheon. Hesiod's Works and Days links Themis to the Golden Age, a time of justice, wealth, and peace. Everyone behaved justly, so there was no need for rules or punishment during this time, and mankind coexisted peacefully with the gods. Themis's presence at this time symbolizes the innate justice and order of the Golden Age. Certain versions of the tale of Prometheus portray Themis as sympathetic to Prometheus's situation. When Prometheus opposes Zeus by delivering fire to humans, Themis supports and advises him, seeing justice in his cause. This narrative emphasizes her function as a defender of justice and supporter of moral causes. Her tales and roles demonstrate the significance of Themis in Greek mythology as a personification of justice, order, and divine law. She upheld the values of justice and balance by using her influence in both the heavenly and earthly domains. Themis's advisory position toward Zeus and her connection to the formation of councils and assemblies emphasize her significance in the political sphere. In Greek city-states, these institutions were essential to the process of making decisions and carrying out the execution of justice. Themis supervised these councils, ensuring fair and morally and divinely based judgments, thereby fortifying the social structure. Themis is also the mother of the Moirai and Horai, who represent the moral and natural order. Themis plays a crucial role in preserving justice and harmony in both the natural world and human affairs. The Horai represent the seasons and social order, whereas the Moirai control fate. Themis was important to ancient Greek civilization, and her influence on contemporary judicial systems has endured. The concept of Themis, derived from her name, captures the Greek view of law as inherent and consistent with justice and natural order. This theory has had a significant impact on Western legal philosophy, helping to shape ideas like equity and natural law. Themis's imagery and symbolism are still relevant in contemporary legal systems. The figure of Lady Justice, frequently seen with scales, a sword, and a blindfold, clearly references the iconography of Themis. This portrayal powerfully brings to mind the values of objectivity, fairness, and the rule of law. Courts and legal institutions around the world use Themis's enduring impact in their symbolism to emphasize their dedication to justice and fairness. Order, fairness, and impartiality, principles that Themis embodies, are fundamental to modern legal systems. These principles influence the formulation of laws, the handling of court cases, and the execution of justice. By honoring these principles, modern legal systems work to preserve the moral order and social equilibrium that Themis once stood for in classical Greece.